What's going on, guys? This is Smitty with Modern Pro Polish. Today we got this 2008 Dodge Charger in for headlight restoration, and we're going to be removing this old film and sanding down the headlight itself, removing any oxidation, and get this thing back to the clarity that it's supposed to have. We've already sanded and removed the tint from the driver headlight. Now we're gonna wait until we're finished with this one and come back, clear coat both of them with 2K clear, automotive grade clear coat that's gonna last at least 5 years on these headlights. So we've also got a Lexus LS460 over here that's in for headlight restoration as well. You can see the delamination going on with the headlights. So we are going to sand these down, compound them, polish them, and get them ready for the 2K clear as well. So first step, mask them off so we don't damage any paint around the headlight. And then we're going to sand with our 1000 grit and work our way up to 5000 grit. Then we'll compound them, polish them, and then we'll mask the entire vehicle with plastic to spray the 2K clear, making sure that we don't get any overspray on anything. And that 2K clear is gonna last at least 5 years on the lights. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna mask it off and protect the edges of the paint from any sanding. We make sure that the tape tucks underneath the lip of the edge so that nothing gets underneath it as well. We protect all corners of the paint. The process typically takes between 1 to 2 hours, and for more extreme cases, it's going to take about 3 hours for both sets. Now we're going to start our sanding process with our 1500 grit sanding pad to remove any of the oxidation and delamination. So this milky residue is your old clear coat coming off with oxidation and anything else that needs to be shed from that top layer, so we can get down to the clarity of the lens. And this is after our 1500 grit step. You can see some clarity in the light. We haven't compounded anything yet, so that's what you want to see as you gradually bump up your grits and sanding. So now we're starting to get some good visibility. We can see all of our defect has been removed, and now we're just having to remove the control defect, which is the sanding grit. So now we're going to go to 3000 grit and then 5000 grit. So now we got the driver headlight done. As you can see, it's back to its factory finish clear, and now we're going to jump on the passenger headlight, remove all the sanding defects, get it looking just like the driver's side, and then we'll go ahead and spray that 2K clear. We've got the headlights sanded and compounded. Now we're going to go ahead and spray our clear so we can lock in that finish, and it'll be good for 5 years. Let's go ahead and get that going. Now we got the headlights done on the LS460. They have been sanded, compounded, and cleared with 2K clear, and this is going to last a couple years. So customers should be very happy with the finish. We're happy with it. It's crystal clear, and they'll be able to see again at night. So if you need anything done for your headlights, give us a call at 910-759-3756. Our pricing starts at about $100 per set, and it just depends on what kind of damage you have on your headlights. So give us a call. We'd love to help you out.